The blue one's coming. There it is. Oh, the green one's in now. The green one's coming. The crabs walk slow like these too, but the ants and the nanos are fast. So it's too slow and too fast. Oh.
He's kind of stuck with me.
Yeah. Good. Oh, all of them are coming over, it looks like. The red was going to come over, and the black was going to come over again, and the purple. But they all turned around. Except for green. Why is he going in circles, this yellow? I think it's because this flared. A little bit. Where'd the green go?
Behind the cabinet. There's a cabinet here.
Oh my! Oh no, I can't reach it. Grandpa,
What?
why'd you let it go over there?
It's going to have to go all the way through, doesn't it?
I don't know, it's gonna keep turning. And there's not enough room.
Okay, take the broom handle and just go above it and pull it back. Okay, Sunshine.
What?
Take the broom handle. Uh-oh, something fell off.
No, it's just the battery.
Okay, just take the broom and just go like this over the top of it and bring it back. Don't put a lot of weight on it.
Yeah. Now it's all dusty. Oh.
Oh, you put the pan on top on that.
Ew. Ugh. There.
Here, put the pan on and pick up that dust that you put.
What?
Just put it into the garbage.
Oh, really? I've been gone a little too long. What? That's low.
He's a little fireball.
A little tiger?
Oh my.
He's a
How do
fireball.
you make your throat say that word?
It's not my throat.
What
My
makes
cheek. Where's the black one? Way over there. Is that what you were looking for? No, I was looking for the green one. It was in there. Oh, they're stuck. The blue one's gonna have to get changed again when it gets changed yesterday because it's dead already. Oh, the orange.
can I come over to your house this weekend?
Sure. What day you coming? Okay.
What?
You got homework?
Kinda, yeah.
What do you mean kinda, yeah?
Yeah, I do.
What do you got?
Math and stuff like that.
Math and stuff like that, huh? Jordan, why don't you go upstairs and put some sweatpants on? Jordan,
Why?
because you're so hard to buy pants for. We don't want holes in those pants. Go upstairs, Jordan.
I can't.
Jordan.
Daddy,
Jordan.
just let me go.
No, no, no. Jordan, go change your pants.
I will.
Go put sweatpants on.
I will.
No.
No, I'm fixing his arms.
No, Jordan, go up and put some
I
after school clothes on.
said I will.